compute and simplify this expression. Let's work first inside the absolute value symbols. And we will first evaluate the exponential expression. 5 cubed is 125. Now let's do the multiplication inside the absolute value symbols. I get negative 16. Now let's do this computation. This is minus sign. Negative 16 minus 125 is negative 141. And now let's just find the absolute value. The absolute value of negative 141 is 141. We'll do this multiplication. And finally, we'll do the subtraction, and we get negative 173.